Hey, this is Andreas from Loop Tours, and I'm here to show you a bit how the Christiania bike works. So first thing, let's start from the back, where you can put in the battery. So this here is to slide in the battery. Make sure that it doesn't require a lot of force. So for example, now it's plugged. This is not what you want. Slide it in, and now turn twice. Now it's locked, the battery is locked in, and when you turn a second time, the light turns on, and this means that you can now use the battery. Second thing, let me show you how to adjust the seat point. So here is a so-called quick release. You can use your thumb to open it, adjust it approximately to your waist, and then close it again. Then let's have a look at the handlebar, the screen first. With this button on the right, you turn on the screen. Now the electric assist is turned on. You can see that it is on assist, which I'm going to turn off now. Like this, the assist is off when you can read auto. One way to use the electric assist is here with the throttle. Just pull it towards yourself and the bike accelerates. Now let's have a look at the brakes. There are two brakes. The right brake here is for the rear, and the brake on the left side is for the front, for the two wheels in the front. You can block the brake by pressing here onto this knob. Then release the brake, and as you can see, the bike doesn't move anymore and it's parked. To release the brake, just press the brake like that. It starts rolling again. Now let me show you how to shift gear. The lever below, that's to shift up, and with the big lever you can shift down. So if you're the passenger and sitting in the box, you have a nice pillow. The box has space for a kid and an adult or two children, and below the pillow there is a box where you can store a backpack or a small item. There's also a seatbelt here.
Du fährst aus der City ins Westside Spa, doch am Platz halt dich nicht an. Aus der City mit dem Chicky ins Westside Spa, doch du halt dich nicht an. Prinzlos Halligen.
Get into the box, you can either use this step
3008 Wiederholungen.
Or you can open the door and access from this side. Before you get into the box, you should make sure that the bike is locked. So make sure it's locked here, and also make sure that you're not stepping on the corner. So this is a bad idea. Step into the box. Just like that. And now let's go to the interesting part, the driving. There are three things you should consider before you start. First, put the pedals in a 90-degree angle to the ground so you have a lot of leverage. Then use the hand throttle to get electric assist, and then you can start pedaling and enjoy your ride.
Irgendwann habe ich Kinder, checken Matches auf Tinder, schauen Fotos auf dem Handy an, entzogen Glas in den Tennissack, in der Küche meinen Fensterplatz.
So now I'm going to show you how to do turns. It's different than a normal bicycle, and the main difference is that you don't follow the steering. So this is wrong and it's difficult. What you do instead is that you keep your weight earth through the pole, and this is how you do the turn. Let me show you.
Ik vind het easy auf der Couch von ihrem Atelier, Futter besoffen an der Matinee, an deinen Vernissagen 3 Liter Tellbier, rocken meine Bellrin, Pellegrino im Video, catch me im Bailey auf dem 3er in den Speedos, Gusto wenn ich ausgehe, 1 Liter Lambrusco, mucho love für all meine Players. Finger in der Mitte für die kleinen Haters. Honey wegen einisch. Honey wegen einisch.
Alright, this is the correct way, so keep the weight in the center of the turn. But I also want to show you why you have to do this and what happens if you don't follow this instruction. So these were some of the most important parts of a Christiania bike and how to use it. I'm sure that anybody can learn to be a great cargo bike pilot here on this square with lots of space and our instructions. But be aware that it's not the same as a normal bike and you do need some time to get used to it. In the next video, we're going to show you a few things that you should consider when biking together with hundreds of other cyclists in Copenhagen traffic. If you have any questions about Christiania bikes or how it is to bike in Copenhagen, just leave a comment and we're happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching, bye bye and see you next time.
Hangen auf der Strecke